There's something truly satisfying about taking something old and forgotten and giving it a new purpose. It's like discovering a hidden treasure, buried under layers of dust and neglect. Each piece of furniture has its own story, its own history, and by restoring it, we get to add a new chapter to that story. It's like uncovering hidden potential, a diamond in the rough. The process of sanding, polishing, and refinishing is akin to peeling back the layers of time, revealing the beauty that lies beneath. It's a meticulous and rewarding process that requires patience and attention to detail. That's the magic of furniture flipping. Watching a piece transform from something that was once considered junk into a stunning, functional work of art is nothing short of magical. It's a testament to the power of creativity and craftsmanship. It's about seeing beyond scratches and faded paint, envisioning the possibilities that lie beneath. Every scratch, dent, and imperfection tells a story, and it's our job to honor that story while breathing new life into the piece. It's a delicate balance between preserving the old and introducing the new. It's not just about aesthetics either. The structural integrity of the piece is just as important. Ensuring that the furniture is sturdy and functional is a crucial part of the restoration process. This often involves repairing joints, replacing missing parts, and reinforcing weak areas. Furniture flipping is a sustainable practice, giving pre-loved pieces a second chance and reducing waste. In a world where mass production and disposable culture are prevalent, restoring old furniture is a way to combat wastefulness and promote sustainability. It's about making conscious choices that benefit both our homes and the environment. Plus, the process itself is incredibly therapeutic. There's something meditative about the repetitive motions of sanding, painting, and polishing. It allows you to focus your mind and find a sense of peace and accomplishment in the work you're doing. It's a form of creative expression that can be both relaxing and fulfilling. It's a chance to unleash your creativity, learn new skills, and create something beautiful with your own two hands. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete novice, there's always something new to learn and discover in the world of furniture restoration. It's a journey of growth and self-improvement. There's a sense of accomplishment that comes with every refurbished piece, a reminder that you can create something truly special with a little vision and effort. Each completed project is a testament to your hard work and dedication, a tangible representation of your skills and creativity. It's about transforming not just furniture, but also spaces and lives, one project at a time. The impact of a beautifully restored piece can extend beyond the item itself, bringing joy and inspiration to those who use and admire it. It's a way to create a more beautiful, sustainable, and meaningful world, one piece of furniture at a time. The thrill of the hunt is part of the fun. There's something incredibly exciting about the process of searching for that perfect piece of furniture to flip. Whether you're wandering through a bustling flea market, sifting through the aisles of a thrift store, or scrolling through endless listings on online marketplaces, the anticipation of finding a hidden gem is exhilarating. When choosing a piece to flip, start by exploring local thrift stores, antique shops, and even online marketplaces. Each of these places offers a unique selection of furniture, often at a fraction of the cost of new items. Thrift stores can be a treasure trove of affordable finds, while antique shops might offer more unique vintage pieces. Online marketplaces, on the other hand, provide the convenience of browsing from home and the possibility of finding exactly what you're looking for with just a few clicks. Don't be afraid to look beyond imperfections. A piece with chipped paint or scratches might seem unappealing at first glance, but these flaws can often be easily fixed with a bit of sanding and a fresh coat of paint. In fact, these imperfections can sometimes add character to the piece, giving it a unique, lived-in look that new furniture often lacks. Focus on good bones, solid construction, interesting shapes, and unique details. A well-built piece of furniture will stand the test of time, and unique details like intricate carvings or unusual shapes can make your finished project stand out. Look for pieces made of solid wood, as they are generally more durable and easier to work with than those made of particle board or other composite materials. Run your hands over the piece, feel for sturdiness. A quick tactile inspection can tell you a lot about the quality of the furniture. If it feels solid and well made, it's likely a good candidate for flipping. Pay attention to how the piece feels in your hands. Does it have a good weight to it? Does it feel stable and well constructed? Check for any major structural damage that might be difficult to repair. While minor issues like loose joints or small cracks can often be fixed with some wood glue and clamps, more significant damage like a broken frame or severe warping might be beyond your skill level or not worth the effort to repair. A wobbly leg can be fixed, but a warped frame might be a deal breaker. It's important to assess the extent of the damage and determine whether it's something you can realistically repair. If the piece has a lot of potential but needs some work, it might still be worth taking on as a project. However, if the damage is too extensive, it might be best to pass and keep looking. Trust your instincts. If a piece speaks to you, it's likely worth a second look. Sometimes you just get a feeling about a piece of furniture. Maybe it's the shape, the style, or the potential you see in it. Whatever it is, if you feel drawn to a piece, trust that instinct. Your personal connection to the piece can be a great motivator throughout the flipping process. Consider your own style and the overall aesthetic you want to achieve. Think about how the piece will fit into your home or the space you're designing for. Are you looking for something that will blend seamlessly with your existing decor? Or are you hoping to create a statement piece that will stand out? Sketching out your ideas can help you visualize the finished product and ensure that the piece aligns with your vision. Are you drawn to farmhouse chic, mid-century modern, or something completely unique? Different styles of furniture can evoke different feelings and atmospheres in a space. Farmhouse chic might bring a cozy, rustic vibe, while mid-century modern can add a touch of sleek, retro sophistication. Or maybe you're drawn to eclectic pieces that combine elements from various styles to create something truly one of a kind. Choose a piece that excites you, one that you can envision transforming into a statement piece for your home. The best projects are those that you feel passionate about. When you find a piece that excites you, it's easier to stay motivated and put in the effort needed to transform it into something beautiful. Remember, the goal is to create something you love, a piece that reflects your personality and style. Furniture flipping is not just about making something look good, it's about creating something that resonates with you and enhances your living space. A piece that reflects your personal style will bring you joy every time you see it. Don't be afraid to take a chance on a diamond in the rough. Some of the most rewarding projects start with pieces that look like they have seen better days. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can transform a worn-out piece into a stunning focal point for your home. You might be surprised by what you can create. The process of flipping furniture can be incredibly satisfying, and the end result can often exceed your expectations. So go ahead, take a chance, and see what amazing transformations you can achieve. Before the real transformation begins, you need to give your furniture a clean slate. This means removing dirt, grime, and any lingering odors. Start by giving the piece a thorough cleaning with a mild cleaner and a soft cloth. Pay attention to nooks and crannies where dust and dirt tend to accumulate. For stubborn grime, a mixture of warm water and vinegar can work wonders. Once clean, allow the piece to dry completely before moving on to the next step. This cleaning process is crucial, not just for aesthetics but also for ensuring that paint or stain adheres properly. A clean surface is essential for achieving a smooth, professional-looking finish. Section 4. Sanding away imperfections, creating a smooth canvas. Sanding is a crucial step in the furniture flipping process. It's about smoothing out imperfections and creating a uniform surface for paint or stain to adhere to. Start with a coarser grit sandpaper to remove any existing varnish or paint. Gradually work your way up to a finer grit sandpaper for a smooth, polished finish. Remember to sand in the direction of the wood grain to avoid unsightly scratches. Sanding can be dusty work, so be sure to wear a mask and work in a well-ventilated area. Use a tack cloth to wipe away any sanding dust before moving on to the next step. This ensures a smooth, even finish when it's time to paint or stain. Section 5. Repairs and priming, laying a strong foundation. Now it's time to address any structural issues. Tighten loose screws, hammer in stray nails, and ensure that all joints are secure. This step is crucial because any instability in the structure can lead to bigger problems down the line. If you find any damaged or rotting wood, it's best to replace it entirely to maintain the integrity of the piece. Next, repair any cracks or chips with wood filler. Choose a high-quality wood filler that matches the type of wood you're working with. Apply it generously to ensure that all gaps are filled. Use a putty knife to smooth it over, making sure to press it firmly into the cracks. This will help to create a strong bond and a smooth surface. Allow the filler to dry completely before sanding it smooth, creating a seamless surface. Sanding is an essential step because it ensures that the surface is even and ready for the next stages of preparation. Use fine grit sandpaper for the best results, and always sand in the direction of the wood grain to avoid scratches. Priming is the next step in creating a flawless finish. A good primer will not only help the paint adhere better but also enhance the durability of the finish. It acts as a barrier, preventing any stains or tannins from bleeding through the paint. Primer helps to seal the wood, prevent bleed-through and create a smooth base for paint or stain to adhere to. This is especially important for porous surfaces as it helps to even out the absorption rate, ensuring a consistent finish. A well-primed surface will make the final coat of paint or stain look more vibrant and professional. It also helps to reduce the number of coats needed, saving you time and effort in the long run. Choose a primer specifically designed for the type of material you're working with, whether it's wood, metal, or laminate. There are different formulations available, so make sure to read the labels and select the one that best suits your project. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or laminate, the right primer will make a significant difference in the final outcome. For instance, metal primers often contain rust inhibitors, while laminate primers are designed to adhere to slick surfaces. Apply a thin, even coat of primer using a brush or roller, ensuring that you cover all areas thoroughly. It's better to apply multiple thin coats rather than one thick coat, as this will help to avoid drips and ensure a smooth finish. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying time. This is crucial because applying paint or stain too soon can lead to peeling or an uneven finish. Patience at this stage will pay off in the quality of your final result. Once the primer is dry, inspect the surface to ensure it's smooth and even. If necessary, lightly sand any rough spots and wipe away any dust before proceeding to the next step. Now you're ready to move on to the fun part, adding color and personality. Whether you choose to paint or stain, the preparation you've done will ensure a beautiful, long-lasting finish. Enjoy the process and take pride in the transformation of your piece.